If your vehicle has intelligent access, you may be able to open and close your liftgate without using your hands or pressing any buttons. Let me show you how. To open your liftgate, just kick your leg forward and back under the center of the rear bumper below the license plate. Then, step back to give the gate space to open. If for some reason the liftgate doesn't open, you can use the remote or button on the liftgate. To close it, just kick your leg under the bumper again, or simply push the liftgate open-close button. Any questions? Go to FordOwner.com.